Hey everybody, welcome back to Sid's Club. All week we've been talking about severe weather, and part of severe weather is tornadoes. So today we are going to make a tornado in a jar. All you're going to need is a jar. You do not need the lid, some dish soap, water, something to stir with. I'm using a chopstick, but you could use a pencil, the back of a paintbrush, a straw, anything that you have handy to stir the water. And then optional is if you have some thick, chunky glitter, maybe some confetti. I happen to have fake snow on hand, so that's what I'm gonna use. You don't need this. You don't have to put anything in the jar. You could just do the water and the dish soap. This is completely optional, so if you have something on hand, great. If not, no big deal. So I'm just gonna throw some of this fake snow into the bottom of my jar. Then we're gonna pour water into the jar about 3/4 of the way full. And then I'm just going to put a drop or two of dish soap. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to start stirring the water, creating a vortex inside the water to show a tornado. So let's give it a shot. And you're gonna wanna stir really, 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 really fast. Can you all see my tornado? You can see it's starting to slow down. Now all you have to do is just keep stirring to get another one going. This is a great way to show kids what a tornado looks like. So I hope that you'll give it a try and send us your pictures and videos, and we'll see you next week right back here on Sid's Club. Bye guys.